Hello guys, my name is Jacob and I'm creating a vanilla and pepper adventure channel. Deia, the village artist loved so much, is located on the northwest coast of the island. It is located in the heart of Serra de Tramuntana mountain, or more precisely in the shadow of the Piug de Teix mountain. What's her magic? Maybe small and windy streets creating labyrinths, or maybe in stone houses with green shutters we are not missing here. Certainly, in a beautiful landscape with the sea and olive groves in the background. Deia also has art galleries, restaurants serving local delicacies and luxury hotels. In search of inspiration, Pablo, Picasso and Santiago Rusinyola came to Deia. The Spanish village was made famous by Robert Grace, a British writer you might know from the book I, Claudius. If you like mountain hiking, we will also find suitable trails here. Fans on the sunbathing can relax on the local beach. A half-hour walk from the village leads straight to Cala Deia, a charming cove with a pebble beach. The beach may not be too big, but it certainly has a lot of atmosphere. Right on the beach there are two restaurants famous for their delicious dish. It's definitely worth the temptation. Mallorca still hides many interesting places. If you want to be up to date with our movies, subscribe to our channel. And if you like the movie, leave a thumb up. See you in the next report.